A Pakistani flag attached with a number of balloons was found in the Udhampur district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the police said it was found hanging from a tree in the Ramnagar Tehsil. The flag was attached with the posters and scores of red and green balloons. Over 4,000 Kashmiris, including all parties, Hurriyat Conference leaders, human rights activists, journalists, youth, students and ulama have been facing illegal detention in the jails of India and occupied Kashmir for demanding their right to self-determination. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, most of these detainees, including women, have been slapped with the draconian laws, the Public Safety Act and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency court has issued a proclamation notice against a pro-freedom activist in the Budgam district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the charge sheet on the fake case filed by the district police Budgam, the court has issued a notice against one pro-freedom activist, Aqib Ahmed, in the Budgam district. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has said that due to anti-people policies, ruling Bharatiya Janata Party has lost its political ground in the occupied Kashmir. Farooq Abdullah, addressing a party function in Srinagar, said the BJP is non-existent in Kashmir. Indian policemen assaulted two revenue officials, including a Naib Tehsildar in the Ramban district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the incident led to a protest by their colleagues and clerical staff in the office in the district. The Naib Tehsildar and his subordinate Patwari were roughed up and confined to their office by the agitated police party. Dozens of uphill villagers in North Kashmir's Bandipora district are facing a drought-like situation due to low water levels in streams and the lack of rainfall. According to Kashmir Media Service, the distraught villagers said even as the water pumps, which could solve the problem, were allotted a year ago, that have not been installed yet. The villagers assembled at the mini secretariat Bandipora and asked the administration to take immediate action as they were at the risk of losing the crop. India under fascist Modi has become a dangerous country for Muslims as they are facing continuously targeted by the Hindutva activists. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said persecution of Muslims has sharply increased since Modi took power in India and they are being threatened, harassed and attacked with impunity.